and welcome. Today we're going to be doing some red salsa. I actually stumbled upon this recipe from the subreddit Salsa Snobs, and I'll have the link for the original video down below. And this one I found to be just kind of that red taqueria vibes type of salsa that I've been looking for. And so it's been a good combo if you're doing tacos or anything else where you got that red, you got that green, and just to diversify your salsa game. There are some similarities to the green salsa recipe in preparation, so I feel like that makes this one an easy one to just kind of slide into. Let's get into it.
For ingredients, we'll need 1 pound of tomatillos, dehusked and washed, half a cup of chiles de árbol, or about 25 to 30 of these, 2 guajillo chiles, 1 serrano, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 to 8 cloves of garlic depending on your preference, and 1 tablespoon of salt. First, you want to add your tomatillos, onion, serrano, and garlic to a pot. Fill the pot up with water, leaving around 2 inches from the top. Next, add some oil to a pan and on medium heat, saute the guajillos for about a minute on each side. When these are done, add them to the pot. Do the same in batches for the chiles de árbol. Make sure you are using medium heat. I went for medium-high here and it was a little too much. Add those to the pot when they've cooked for about a minute or so. I was hesitant to cook with these dried chilies at first and eventually realized you just need to soak them in water or saute them for a bit before you use them. This opens up a lot of possibilities because I think these types of dried chilies are the cornerstones for a lot of other recipes. So I am excited to explore more with other recipes using these types of chilies. Bring the pot up to a boil and then bring it down to medium-high for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the tomatillos are fork tender. Take the pot off the heat and let these cool down for at least 10 minutes. After cool down, add the ingredients to your blender. I started with tongs but switched to a slotted spoon to get some of the smaller bits at the bottom. Don't forget to add your salt to the blender and then get blended, buddy.
Yep.
Pour out that sassy goodness into a bowl and you're ready to rock and roll.
And there you have it, red taqueria salsa. This one's got me sweating a bit, but not as bad as the green. I feel like the green is still a little hotter. The chiles de árbol are hot, but not as hot. Don't forget to de-seed your chilies if you want to make it a little more mild. On this one, I was afraid that I overcooked the chiles de árbol and the guajillos. It does have a little bit of a smoky flavor, but I didn't push it too far. So kind of thought I was f***ing up, but thankfully still salvageable. Be sure to keep that heat on medium and you should be able to gauge that a little better than I did. I've got one more salsa fresca type of recipe where it's fresh ingredients, a lot faster also, where that's actually my go-to if I want a quick salsa. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Choo!